right, guys. My friends are better than yours. They already got this thing unloaded going on the lift. Let's snatch this thing out real quick. Hopefully it's nothing major. So this is the ground.
Red is now ground.
Okay, look, remember.
This is literally all red wine.
Look, remember, that's all I had. So look, all you gotta do is remember that did I at least make them so that they can't plug into each other?
No.
Let's see, we're about to find out. Okay, so
That one right there.
Somebody take a picture of this. Alright guys, so we got the transmission out. It appears that the input shaft is broken. That is a ringless input shaft, but I think it's broken. It's old. Look at this. That should not be that easy to go. Yes, it was a mixture of
going everywhere. It's going everywhere if you care.
It drains.
Oh, okay.
Transmission table. It was a alright, 100% guys. That's a solid input shaft that is broken. Tire shake probably done that. So input shaft done, and it is like seized. It's gonna have to go back the other way. Front pump's probably done. Bushing's probably done. Maybe we'll be fine on the plane and stuff. We gotta go the other way. That's my bushings. Did another one come off too? Or was that the only one?
Well, sure, it's good, but
Is it stuck in the sunshell?
no, the part of that it bent it over, so it won't come off of it. What's all that ring around it? That's from the fan wear.
All right, guys. So this is the hub. This is the drive hub that goes in the planetaries. Now the planetaries got really hot right here for some reason, but check this out. All the clutches are still good, Brian. The clutches are fine. I guess it's just because they put everything in a bind or something. Possibly because I was trying to do a bunch of gears. So we got a few things. Luckily the planetary looks like it's good. This is fine. It's got a couple sharp edges on it, but I think it's gonna be okay. All the clutches, clutch pack, a little bit of metal down in there, but these are not burnt at all. These are very hot right now, but these are okay. So synopsis, what we gotta fix: we need input shaft. Input shaft, front pump, because that's not coming out of the front pump. It's just not. So input shaft, front pump, some of these little odds and ends things, this little drive piece here. Yeah. All right, guys, so here is the donor transmission. Brian's car, Killdozer. His car is currently not running. He's got a nice Power Glide transmission on it, so he is going to volunteer that one for our car today. So I think we're going to be in good shape. Appreciate it, Brian.
Anytime.
All right, so if y'all hadn't seen Brian's motor, he is now going big block Chevrolet. He got rid of the LS. Just got his intake today. Shoot, you almost got everything to put this thing back together. Oh, let me show. I'm gonna show the big exhaust manifold, not the manifold, the turbine housing. Boy, so this is a 2.0 AR housing. That is a 150. Look at the difference. So I got this thing off of some type of turbo I bought many years ago. It was off like a cat or something. But this is, we're gonna actually, we don't have a flange for it, so we're gonna have to weld that to the housing. But for his 632, that should be pretty good. That thing is not a T6 housing flange either. He had to actually modify and make another flange, just like a T7 if they even make it. I don't even know what it is.
I mean, I like to learn and gamble a little bit with $2, but I ain't big on that. She likes to do it every once in a while.
Okay, there's a little bit of metal in here, but it's not bad. No bent fins.
You just bend them yourself.
Yeah, just straighten them out. Which ones did you bend? Up here?
Yep.
Yeah, see, look, they just hand bend them and tear. I mean,
Yeah, they're tore, yeah.
So which way does it need to go to make it tighter? Stand them up?
Come
on, man.
That was more angle.
More angle?
More angle?
Oh, yeah, this are closer to a 90.
Yeah, close to a 90.
All right, guys, this is one of the huge benefits of having a bolt together converter is we are able to check this thing to make sure there's nothing broken here, but we're also able to just clean it. It's fine, a little bit of shavings in here. So since we're gonna be using Brian's transmission, we don't wanna put metal shavings in his transmission. So we're gonna clean it and then we're gonna put it back together. All right, guys, well, it is now, we've been working on it for about 2 hours. So it's about 12:30. So we're almost done for tonight. Brian's got the transmission out of his and it's ready to go in here. Torque converter's fine, it's clean. Everybody's leaving and going home. We're going to come back over here tomorrow. Luckily, we got a down day. If we didn't have tomorrow off, we would be putting this thing in tonight. Same stuff. We're going to use my converter. We're going to use his transmission. Everything should be perfect. We'll see you. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all soon. Locals only. We're stupid excited. Later. All right, guys, we're over here at the shop. NPK Performance at Brian's, me and JW and Brian. It is now 11 o'clock on Saturday night. Transmission is in. We just got done. Got a little bit late start. Our initial game plan was to take Brian's transmission. So we took his out of his car, got it ready. And then I found one of our other buddies, Michael. He's a bracket racer. He had a Shorty Power Glide that had all the good stuff in it. My planetaries were still good. So this is a one-piece reed case, so we like that. We took the dump valves off. We still do have the pressure regulator valve on it, but we are fixing to crank this thing up. So the plan is the other transmission, the JW case. We're going to take that thing and have a spare. Clearly, we had a lot of, I made a post this morning on Facebook and, looking for some parts, and we had a lot of people reach out to us that had spare transmissions at the track, and they were willing to let us borrow them. That's one of the things with drag racing. It's amazing. Brian was the same way. I mean, his car's on the lift over there now. He's working on it. He's like, well, just take mine out and, it'll be fine. So we are going to get us a spare Power Glide. I got a Power Glide. Brian runs a Power Glide. And so it's always good if we have a spare one sitting in the trailer somewhere or either at the shop. This one's really nice. It's got a billet front piece in it. We did put the restrictor in it. We did open it up just a little bit. We went to 138 thousandths. But we don't know if this thing's going to spool up or not. We don't have a dump valve. So we're fixing to put fluid in it. We're going to try to spool it real fast. Here we go.